check out this crazy wallet. If you're trying to stack serious crypto fast, stay tuned. I'm about to break down exactly how I've been doing it. After months glued to my screen trading meme coins nonstop, I got sick of gambling on random projects that crashed instantly. Then I found a method that changed everything. Now I can flip $100 into $500, sometimes even $10,000 in seconds. The best part? You can repeat it as often as you want. That's how I've been printing profits like clockwork. Here's the truth. Nobody tells you the big money isn't made by trading meme coins. It's by launching them. The insiders figured this out a long time ago. Now it's our turn. Sure, you could use the classic pump fund route like everyone else, but scroll through that, feed hundreds of new tokens every hour. It's way too crowded. Luckily, there's a smarter angle. Listen closely. Radium is the secret weapon. While the crowd fights for attention on pump fun, we can deploy where real players trade. The technical entry barrier keeps out the trash, meaning cleaner projects and better profits. You might be wondering, how do I do this if I can't code? Don't worry. I'll show you how to skip all that completely, launch a token like a pro, and attract serious investors. I've been using this strategy for weeks now, and it's been killer. Today, I'll prove it. We're doing a live launch from scratch with a brand new wallet. First things first, head over to Dex Screener and find a trending coin you'd like to model. Pick something that's already doing well. AI coins are super hot right now. It's a topic that's blowing up across the entire market. Avoid the obvious top 5 projects. They're too saturated. Instead, scroll a little further down the list. You'll find coins that had strong traction, got early investors, and then cooled off. That's your sweet spot. We'll take one of those as an example. You can see this one pulled solid buys, a few sells, and overall stable volume. So we'll use its format as our base. Once you've picked your model coin, head to a token launch site. I recommend mintnextmeme.com since their tokens tend to appear faster on Solana Explorers and trader dashboards. Set your token name and supply. Go for 1 billion tokens, that's 1 followed by 9 zeros. It's the standard meme coin structure. Next, copy or create a fun logo image, ideally something meme-worthy, clean, and bright. Make sure it's squared and lightweight, 128x 128 pixels. Or you can simply copy the one from your model coin. Now paste your logo, set your token symbol, and write a short description. Example, a next-gen AI meme coin powered by good vibes only. Next up are permissions, the so-called authorities. You'll see options like mint, freeze, and update. Always review these carefully. Keep them enabled while setting up to gain investor trust. Adding socials is optional, but recommended. Include your Telegram, X, Twitter, and a simple landing page. It helps the token look legit. People are way more likely to invest when they see real links attached. Here again, just copy from your model coin. Okay, we've filled everything out. Double check your wallet connection if you don't have one. Set up a phantom wallet, connect it, and hit create token. Confirm the transaction, and don't worry about this warning. Phantom shows this on all websites by default, so just click confirm. But I can promise you guys it's safe, and if you don't trust it, then, just simply don't use it. It's completely up to you. And that's it. Your token's officially live on Solana. Copy the address and open it on solscan.io to verify creation. Now that we've got the token, it's time to build the liquidity pool. No pool means no trading, so let's set it up. On the token launch site, click in liquidity pool. It's going to open Radium. Or you can go directly to Radium, click on liquidity, then create. Pick standard Now get your token address and copy it. You want to swap this out first. Make sure to have Sol to the bottom, and then on the top one, it should go blank. Put now your token address in there. Now we're going to make the liquidity. Allocate around 900 million tokens to liquidity. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve it in your wallet, and wait for confirmation. You'll see a success message when it's done. Now open your Radium portfolio, Switch to standard view and refresh until your liquidity position appears. This might take a few minutes to appear. Next, copy your token address again and check it on Deck Screener. Replace any example address in the URL with yours and reload the page. You'll now see your chart live. You might notice small automatic trades. Those are bots testing the pool. Totally normal. Anyway, congrats, your coin is now officially tradable. You can even start getting early buyers right away. Here's how the profits work. If your liquidity is around $1,000 and you own 40% of it, every increase in total value scales your profit proportionally. So, if your pool goes to $100K, your share's worth $40K. As the market grows, your wallet balance rises in real time. That's how traders scale. After a few minutes, check your portfolio again. Once you see consistent volume and green candles, you can choose to remove part of your liquidity, say 50%, to secure profit. Click the minus icon in Radium, drag the slider to 100%, and hit Remove Liquidity. Confirm in Phantom and watch your Solana balance go up. You'll notice you don't get the full liquidity number. That's because part of it stays in the pool to maintain stability. Still, even half back is usually solid profit. Your chart should now show natural buys and sells with people taking small positions. Let it breathe for 5-10 minutes before doing anything drastic. If the project slows down and you plan to close it, repeat the withdrawal process carefully. Always double check there are no active trades left before you finalize removal. Once done, check your wallet. You should see your final balance. In my case, I started with a few Solana and ended up with a few $100 profit, more on a simple launch. Now here's the smart trading tip. Always analyze winning narratives. If AI is trending, build an AI meme. If gaming coins are up, make something gaming related. You want to copy momentum, not random tokens. Keep your launches transparent and avoid scams. Don't promise returns, don't fake volume. Just create fun tokens. Let traders do the rest. If you're serious about this, follow along, comment how your launch went, and share your best performing meme coins. Much love to all the builders out there. See you in the next video, and remember, meme coins aren't about luck. They're about timing and creativity.